Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a security license in Maine, you need to meet the following conditions. Be at least 18, be legally allowed to work in the U.S., have no disqualifying criminal convictions, not have been dishonorably discharged from the military in 5 years, not be under any active mental health restrictions, or a fugitive from justice. Please note, in Maine, the license is tied to your employer. You don't get your own guard card. Instead, you're registered under a licensed contract security company. If you switch jobs, your new employer must resubmit your paperwork and background info. You can't work independently or carry your license between companies. Step 2. Required training. In Maine, individual guard training isn't state regulated. It's handled by your employer. However, most companies require an 8-hour basic security guard training on topics like the power of arrest and report writing. Training can be in person or online depending on your employer. The typical cost is between $100 to $200. Some employers cover it, but you'll often have to pay up front. Step 3. Proof of completion. After training, you'll receive a certificate or digital completion record. Keep it safe. You'll submit this to your employer or directly to the Maine State Police via the company. Maine does not have a statewide guard exam required. Training and employer vetting replace that. Step 4. Fingerprinting and background check. Complete your fingerprinting and background check, which must happen within 60 days of being hired. It's arranged by your employer using a provider like IdentoGo, who then securely sends your prints to the Maine State Bureau of Identification and the FBI. The fee is around $60 to $100, and your employer submits all records as part of their contract security license. Step 5. Submit the application. Your employer submits your info to the Maine Department of Public Safety. There's no individual license. You're covered under the company's contract security license. Step 6. Cost breakdown. Let's break down typical costs to become a security guard in Maine. Training, $100 to $200. Fingerprinting and background check, $60 to $100. Application fee, paid by employer under agency license. The total cost is $160 to $300. For perspective, median unarmed guard wage in Maine is $19.80 an hour, or $41,110 a year, according to Bureau of Labor Statistics wage data. Step 7. License approval and delivery. Since you're licensed under the contract security company's license, there's no guard card to receive. Once cleared, you're legally allowed to work. Some agencies may issue an internal ID, but Maine doesn't provide individual guard cards. Step 8. Renewal. There's no individual renewal process. Your guard status remains as long as the company's contract license is active and your background remains clear. Employers often set their own retraining requirements. Step 9. Get hired and stay informed. If you want to search for other security guard employers, check Indeed. Just keep in mind that your new employer will have to resubmit all of your information to the state. Your license is not mobile. Check r/guard guides for job leads and licensing discussions. Need help? Check my Etsy and Beacons pages for helpful digital tools, free and premium. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.